Okay, what is the first thing you have to do when you want to use a separate module? Wait, so sit down. Speak later. Okay, the question is, I want to use a separate module called as Datetime. What is the first thing I have to do? Anyone? Yeah? You can open a new file for the module, but I want to use a module which is already made called as Datetime. And I want to use it here. What is the first thing you do? You call it. How do we call it? Import. So right down, the first thing you do is you say import Datetime. So very important, write down the Datetime module. Step one should be to import the Datetime module. Let's import it as DT. So you say import Datetime as DT. Okay, now the first thing is assign a date. So you say new underscore date equals. So to assign a date into an object, you say new date equals, and you say DT dot date. And open and close brackets. The first thing you give is a year. The second thing you give is a month. And the third thing you give is the day. Now, if you try to print this, the output will be the, what will be the output? It is the date of 31st of December 2025. Datetime module is very important, okay? Every program needs the date, time, all of it. Okay, next thing. Is assign today's date. Who wants to do it? I want to assign today's date. But if I run it tomorrow, automatically the date should be of tomorrow's. So let's see, let's say today underscore date equals. What do I do? Yeah.
You do DT.
It's very good. You always start with DT dot.
Date.
So you say date. Very good. And you say dot. And to get today's date, you say today, open and closed. And then if you try to print this, what should be the output? Krish, what should be the output here? What are we trying to do? We're trying to get today's date. So if I run this, the output is today's date. Yes or no? Okay, let's do a bit more. The next thing will be, how do you assign time? So assign time.
Same as we did, but instead of date, we say now.
So that'll be today, right now's time. I want to assign a new time. I want to assign a new time. So let's do new underscore time equals, right, what do you do? Who wants to do it? Toss in. I want to assign a new time here. How do I start? Well, we just did it. You always start with dt dot time, right? On the top we did date, over here you say time. The first thing you do is give hours, seconds, or minutes, and then seconds. And then you try to print this. We should get this now. What should be the output here? Hold on, don't say it. Burhan, what should be the output? Yeah. What should be the output here? Yeah. Yeah, what should be the output? Very good. So if I just run this, the output is 13, 10, 14. Okay, let's do the now method now. So let's call it time underscore now. And you say dt dot date time dot now, and try to print this. Question? Okay, what do you think will be the output here? Right, so the now function will give you today's date and time together. Right on the now function will give you the date and time together. Okay, let's do one last bit for today. It'll be, how do you format time outputs? So very important, write down how do you format the time outputs? Okay, does anybody know what is the function called to format time? Write down, the function is called STRFTIME. STRFTIME. Okay, and this is what you do. the object that you made on the top, you say time underscore now. You can get rid of this for now. Equals, you say time underscore now again, and then dot. And then you say STRF time. And then open and close bracket. Okay, just make a note here. This is what you do. You say percentage H. Okay, in double quotes, you say percentage H space percentage M percentage S. And then try to print time underscore now. Okay, what will be the output here? Look on the screen. Can somebody tell me what should be the output here? Anyone? Okay, so if I run this, the output is only the time. So make a note, this thing will only output the time from your date and time in the format that you want. So for example, if you want a colon between them, all you do is go here and put a colon like that. Then if I run this, you will get colons between them. Okay, so let's do that one more. The question is only get the date from here. Let's get only the date. What should I put here? I want only the date. Can somebody help me? I want only the date to print outside. So I do percentage D, which is the day, and percentage M, small m, okay? Because capital M is minutes. And percentage Y. You can do capital Y as well. Okay, if I run this, what should be the output? It'll be the date of today. The day, month, and year. Okay, let's do one more. I want the date, right? But I want the year first, then the month, then the day. Who wants to do it? So I want to get a printout again, but I want the year first, then the month, and then the day.
So you do percentage Y.
Right.
Y,
So you do percentage Y first,
then space percentage M.
percentage M.
Capital. Capital or small?
Capital M is minutes.
Okay, small. Then
D. No, day we are doing. And you can also put a. You have to leave. What happened?
Okay, because I need 2 minutes with somebody. I'm gonna finish up the
Okay,
practice.
that's fine.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You can put a dash in the middle. And run. Okay, now make a note. If I try to do print type, what will this output give me? If I do print type of time underscore now, what does the type tell you?
If it's in 24 hours or like
But if it tells you if it's a string or if it's a integer or if it's a float. So if I run this, it's telling me that it is a string. So make a note, STRFTIME will give the output as string. This is very important. Make a note, STRFTIME will give the output as string. So what you'll have to do is convert the output into the date time format. And to do that, this is what you have to do. You have to say date. So let's give a new object. Let's call it date format equals. You have to say dt dot date time dot and this new function is called STRPTime. Not STRF, but STRP. So right now to convert string into date time, you will have to do STRPTime. Are we recording? Okay, then two things in STRPTime. The first thing will be time underscore now. And then you put a comma. And then you put the same format as you had before. So put the same format here. And then try to print date underscore format. Let's hope it works. So now if I run this, just write down this code. Okay, now if I run this, the output will be the same. But if I do type, it is going to tell me that the type is, look, date time. So just make a note. Some programs will need the date time to not be a string. It has to be a date time class. And you'll have to do that using STRPTime. And this is how we do it. Okay, let me stop recording.